Oh, this is relentless. It's just up and up and up. This part's not fun.
It's rough.
It's harder than I remember.
I hate it. Terrified.
Oh, no, no, no.
This shit's slick.
Oh, oh, f me. Somebody got hurt on Flatiron. Seen 3 choppers trying to get him out of there. That's a problem. Yeah, I don't know what happened to me. Couldn't catch my breath. Got dizzy, thought I was gonna fall over. Really weak. Just barely made it.
That's how much further I have to go. But I am really dying. If I had any way that I could back out of it right now, I would. Oh my god. I did it.
Made it!
We made it. Woo!
He's amazing. Yeah, so every now and then on a trip you have that moment that just blows your mind and makes everything worth it, and that was that moment. That was all right. I think we're going to talk about that one for a while.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Wow. I don't know what else to say about it.